I was looking underneath and it's not looking good, but check this out. I mean, this is where the hole was, over here. So it's solid all the way around. Doesn't push down, so. Oh, here it is. So I have removed the carpet completely from the vehicle. For myself, the carpet was wet, and so I wanted to see what was going on underneath, and on top of that, clean the carpet so that when I put it back in, and get rid of that raunchy smell. So I wanted to check, and you can see all the white paint there. That's where I used the metal brush, scraped it all down. I put this stuff on. It's Ruscular from Rust Check, and so far it looks to be doing all right. I mean, it bled through a little bit over here, so there I might have to scrape again, but over here is good, over there is good. Over here started to bleed through again, so I'm gonna have to scrape that down again with that brush. And the other side is clean. This is what I'm dealing with. So I've been sitting on it for a few days now, trying to think, you know, what the best solution is. I don't have a welder, so I can't cut a hole through it. And so if I'm not going to cut a hole through it and weld on a piece of metal, then what's my next best solution? I don't know if you can see that in the cam, but it's very soft here, up to about here. There you go. I just popped that through. So it's hard here, softer here, definitely split there. So fiberglass piece is going to have to come out. You know what, I'll do the whole inside square in fiberglass, and then I got a metal shield going over top. So next, you've got hardener, and now we've got the last fiberglass sheet that we're going to put in here. Gonna dip this one in. Once it's nice and soaked, then I gotta take the bigger piece and soak that. So this is nice and soaked. Put this aside for now. This will be the last piece going on. Now let's hope there's enough fiberglass to go around for this sheet here. Let's see. It's really sloppy to get that resin onto the sheet here. It's really not ideal. You should have seen the pen they gave me in the beginning. It was really tiny. So it doesn't have to be fancy. I mean, I mix it in here. On this side, didn't have any problems with the other layers. So this is the third layer of fiberglass that I got going on. Looks like we got enough resin on there. There. Let's get this one out of the way. And voila. Okay, so all the holes are, the gloves are basically ripped across, but this is fine. Whatever, it is what it is. So the most important part of this fiberglass is showing that this spot here, this is where the hole was. So I want to make sure that it's nice in there. Looks like the fiberglass is going to hold up inside, so with that I'm going to put this sheet of metal in here, and I'm going to be putting that, so I got my silicone, and then I also have metal bond, so that should bond to the fiberglass. That'll keep everything on the inside. Here it is. Look at that. That is brutal. I mean, if I put rivets through that, I risk damaging it even more. So this hole is huge. It's going to require the whole floor be replaced on this side. It's all done now. We didn't put any rivets through, like we said, it's rotted underneath. But we did put some metal bond, and we also put some silicone around it. So that should hold up temporarily. It's a temporary fix until we have the opportunity to weld a new hole. This is our daily driver, so it's not like we can let the car sit, and I don't have a garage with a welder, so hopefully that'll hold on for until we can actually get that figured out.